how to verify Discord email. So anyways, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. It works on Android, iPhone or Samsung. So for that, we will simply open Discord in our phone. Here you guys will see profile pic on down right side. So I will simply click on there. Now here you guys will see edit profile your username. Also on top right side, the setting option, Nitro, you simply click on setting option. Now here you guys will see get Nitro account. So click on account. Here you guys will see username, display name, email, phone number. So simply click on email. Now it will say verify email. So when you click on send verification, after that you guys will receive verification code on email. So you will simply copy that code and you will paste here. Once you paste here, after that click on next, and once you click on next, your email will be verified. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.